What's up, guys? I'm Travis, and this is Wood Style Shinobi. Welcome back to the Clinton channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. Remember, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like. If you really like the video, hit that subscribe, and always comment down below. This is going to be the final portion of this particular build. The next video you see of this will be a full-length, full build video, so make sure you tune in for that. Those are the ones people actually like to watch and all that stuff. But without further ado, let's get this thing done, guys. Later.
level, bitch.
Well, as you all know, I am a fool. See, like Excalibur just said, I'm a fool. Anyways, I forgot to film me putting on the bridge. Came out real nice like. And, let's see if I can get it right here. And where you put the strings at. Whatever you want to call them. I will call them the nuggets. Anyways, back at it. Alright guys, well, that's it for us. We got this bad boy all nice and done. I'm gonna leave the strings on, yeah, just in case I ever want to reuse them or something. But yeah, that's what we got. Let's stick something in there so we can turn that light on for you real quick. Let's see if this works. Big old nail. Oh yeah. Oh, let's turn this off. Oh yeah, that's dope, right? Sword and axe together as one. Turns on and off with the input jack. Can't see it too well in the light, but hope you guys really like this one. I had a lot of fun building this thing. As you've seen on every single video, we messed something up, but we had a good time doing it. There's the back for you. There's the Kobold Guitars insignia. Yep. I'm gonna put some B-roll up right now. Pretty much, yeah. I like the way this one came out. We got just the one volume, one tone, one three-way switch, one kill switch. The kill switch did lose its light. The LED light when I was putting it together and all that stuff, but the company was nice enough to send me another one without me having to resend it. We got the two what are these brands called? We got the two Ori Pure humbuckers. Sound pretty sweet. We got the 6 headless tuners, and we got the fan fret. Hollow body. Anyways, comment down below what you guys think, and don't forget, next week, not next week's video, that's my brother's, the one after next week, so 2 weeks from now, we're gonna have the full-length video up. It's probably gonna be between 15 to 30 minutes long, and you're gonna get to see that whole thing all at once. Anyways, thanks for watching today's video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Ding that bell. Don't forget to watch the rest of this build video. Watch all the rest of our videos. Check out my brother's stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.